everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is a bit of a crazy one. I'm going to film this over a few weeks, but I have decided that I'm going to be selling my whole wardrobe on Depop. And you might ask, why are you doing that? I have way too many clothes that I do not need, and I'm always wanting to buy new things and then not throwing old things out. I get bored of the same clothes really easily. I don't know if anyone else is like that. And I literally like rewear like the same like 5 outfits over and over again, and I have hundreds of clothes that I just do not need anymore. So I thought, let's sell everything on Depop. I've got a little rail here with some clothes on that I've already on there. I took some pictures of. So these are some clothes I'm going to put on there. I've got another massive wardrobe behind me which you can't see, but I will show you in a minute. It's actually a mess. It's embarrassing. Obviously when I say I'm selling all my wardrobe, I am going to keep like a basic few things. So like a couple dresses, like pair of jeans, pair of leggings, couple tops that I do actually wear. But when I say I'm selling most things, that is the aim. I'm going to try and sell as much as I can on Depop and let you know how much I make by the end of, I think I'm going to try this video for a few weeks to see how we do. So yeah, if you do enjoy this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. I'm going to start off by selling some things. So what I do for my Depop pictures is I literally just take a picture of them like on the rail with like a little picture, and then I put it on Depop. I'm gonna update you guys once I've took pictures of everything and put them on my Depop. So I've just picked out some few things here. I've got some like a leather denim jacket from Hollister I never wear, this top from Shein, just some random tops. I've got loads of denim jackets. Like I have another 2 denim jackets as well as these 2. Like I literally don't need all these denim jackets. Just some like old tops, that pretty little thing top. Loads of things I don't wear. I'm gonna go and sort out. I'm gonna do a little time lapse of me sorting out loads more clothes to go on Depop, and then I'll give you an update if anything sells. Just to give you a bit of an insight, this is just one section of my wardrobe. I've got loads of clothes in here that is an absolute mess, as you can see with the state of it. And then I've got another 2 compartments in my wardrobes full of clothes that have loads of shelves in. So as you can see, a lot of sorting to do. So I'm gonna go sort through a load of these clothes and get back to you. Right, so I've sorted through a load of clothes. I'm putting some things on gradually. I think I've put on so far on Depop, I put about 20 items on Depop so far. So I'll give you guys an update when anything sells, and I will get back to you then. So it's now a bit later in the day. Some things have sold already, but I need to bag some things up ready to send off. I sold like these like little Adidas joggers. I sold like this little Nike top. I've got a few other things, some joggers. This old like Chicago top that I got a Pretty Little Thing, which I don't really wear anymore. So I've got some things to bag up. I've got all my little bags here that I use to package up my bags. So I'm gonna go package some things up, and then I'm gonna take everything to the post office. I'll keep you guys updated if anything else sells on Depop. So yeah, so I've just parceled these 2 up. This one is a bundle of about 3 items for a girl, and then this one is the Adidas joggers. I've also sold the Puma jumper, but that is being collected. So yeah, I'm gonna go put the names on these and then head off to the post office to post these. But yeah, it's been quite a successful first day packaging things up. I've still got quite a lot to sell, but I will update you guys if we sell anything else. So it is now the next day since the last time I filmed. I'll just give you a quick overview of what the situation is. So on my bed, as you can see, I've just got boxes and boxes, loads of clothes just all out on my bed. So I'm currently like sorting through all these clothes and getting pictures for Depop, so I can start putting my stuff on there. I'll put it on my screen, my Depop, if you guys do want to buy anything. So yeah, currently this is the situ, so I'm just going to be sorting through all of this. So everything here has been sold today, so hopefully some more things sell. I'm going to package these up and then take them to the post office on Monday because it's Sunday tomorrow, so I won't be able to post them today. So it's now the end of the day since I've put on a load more things, and we've had quite a successful day with sales. I thought I'd show you everything that has sold today. This dress has sold, this other dress has sold, and this top has sold, this jumper has sold, and also this jumper has sold. So really quite a successful successful day. I've got all my packaging here ready to go and like all my labels and stuff. So I'm gonna get all this stuff packaged up, ready to kind of send to the post office tomorrow. There's still quite a lot of interest on some other things that are still on there. So I am expecting quite a few more things to sell this week. But yeah, it's been quite successful. We've had a really good day of selling things. Here in this box is currently everything that is on Depop. So there is quite a lot of clothes still left on there. So hopefully some of this will sell throughout the week. But for now, we've had quite a good day with what we've sold. Just had a notification that something else has sold while I'm packaging things up, so quite a successful day. So it's currently midweek since the last time I filmed on the weekend, and like I said, I thought a few more things would sell and they did sell. So 3 more things have sold since the weekend is now Wednesday. So 3 more things have sold. I'll put on the screen what sold, but yeah, I've got all these items on here, so I'm gonna go get those items ready to be packaged. Overall, we've done really well with this video, I think. Like, we've managed to sell quite a few things all together collectively. And this video, I literally started in September. Like, I can't believe I actually started this video in September. It is now November. So this video has been going on a lot longer than I expected to. I kind of stopped selling for a while, and then obviously, like, back in September it was selling my whole wardrobe, and was selling pretty much everything I had. But since then I've done so many clothing hauls, so I feel like I'm a bit more back to square one because I'm not obviously selling all the things I've just been sent. So I'm thinking of doing a part 2 to this video. If you guys are interested, I will do a part 2. But yeah, it's just kind of like I've just accumulated more clothes since September, and I feel like I'm just going around in circles of like getting more clothes, trying to get rid of more clothes. But I think we have managed to sell a really good chunk of my wardrobe, which is really good because I definitely did need to get rid of a good chunk of clothes. If you guys do want any like Depop tips and tricks on how I do sell, I have made 2 videos on my channel. I'll put them on the screen now, all about how I sold things on Depop and all my tips and tricks. So if you are interested in that, then let me know. But I think I'm gonna leave this video here because I think it's getting a bit long. I mean, we've been carrying on this video for a good few months now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.